In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer for jewelry that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Snapmaker A350T 3D Printer. The Snapmaker A350T 3D printer is a modular 3-in-1 device that combines 3D printing, laser engraving, cutting, and CNC carving capabilities. It offers a larger printing size with a build volume of 12.6 by 13.8 by 13 inches, allowing for the creation of large-scale prototypes without the need to split files. The printer features a modular design that enables easy assembly, disassembly, and component changes due to its adoption of CAN bus technology. With high-precision repeatability of 0.005 mm and an all-metal body, the A350T ensures high-resolution printing, engraving, cutting, and carving while maintaining performance and safety standards. The device comes with custom 3-in-1 software, Snapmaker Luban, which includes features like power loss recovery, open-source code, multi-object processing, customized profiles, built-in cases, and multi-language support. The software is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux systems, allowing job initiation via Wi-Fi, USB flash drive, and USB cable. Number 2. Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K LCD Resin 3D Printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K LCD Resin 3D printer boasts the highest resolution currently available in the market at 22 1152 ppi, making it ideal for printing intricate miniatures and bust sculpts with exceptional detail. Its linear projection LED module ensures enhanced light uniformity, resulting in sharp and superb models that showcase hidden details typically lost on lower resolution printers. The printer's ultra-stable dual linear rails minimize Z-axis nodding during the printing process, providing stability for high-quality model production. Additionally, the frosted laser-cut building plate facilitates firm model attachment, enabling the printer to deliver extremely detailed prints straight out of the box. The 7.1-inch mono LCD screen of the Sonic Mini 8K offers a larger printing space with an 18 cm Z-axis, allowing for wider prints or simultaneous printing of multiple miniatures. Number 3. Dremel DGLab 3D45-01 3D Printer. The Dremel DGLab 3D45-01 3D printer is an advanced 3D printer designed for printing advanced materials such as ANYCUBIC, nylon, PTG, and PLA filaments. It features an all-metal 0.4 mm nozzle that can heat up to 280 degrees Celsius and a removable glass build plate that heats up to 100 degrees Celsius, allowing for easy printing of various 1.75 mm filaments. Recognized for its quality, the Dremel DGLab 3D45-01 3D printer has won the PCMag.com's 2022 Editor's Choice Award for Best 3D Printer for Professionals and Small Businesses. It is recommended for architecture, engineering, university use, or commercial 3D printing due to its durability and reliability. The printer is user-friendly with a guided setup process that enables quick transition from unboxing to printing. It features a 4.5-inch full-color touchscreen with an intuitive interface for easy navigation. The built-in RFID reader automatically detects the 1.75 mm Dremel filament and selects the appropriate print settings. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 Resin 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 is a resin 3D printer equipped with a 6.6-inch monochrome LCD screen boasting a resolution of 4096 by 2560. This high-resolution screen enables the printer to display intricate details of models, making it suitable for printing miniature models. The printer features an upgraded light turbo matrix light source, providing a stable and uniform parallel light source that reduces layer lines and grid lines, resulting in vivid model details and a smooth model surface. In terms of build volume, the Photon Mono 2 offers a larger printing volume of 165 by 143 by 89 mm compared to the Photon Mono 4K, despite having the same machine size. This larger build volume caters to the needs of saving placement space and printing larger models. The printer boasts a high printing success rate due to its laser engraved platform, which enhances model adhesion and improves the overall printing success rate. Number 5. Arti Technology X Plus 3 3D Printers. The Arti Technology X+3 3D printer is a revolutionary FFF/FDM printer designed for commercial use. It features Clipper firmware and a Core XY structure, which can reduce printing time significantly. The printer is capable of high-speed printing with a print speed of 600 mm per second and acceleration of 20,000 mm/s superscript 2. It supports multi-material printing with 2 sets of nozzles made of copper alloy and hardened steel, along with a direct drive extruder. The printer can handle a variety of materials such as ABS, ASA, PTG, PA, PC, GF, CF, and PLA filaments. The X+3 also boasts an independent chamber heating system that can heat up to 60 degrees Celsius in 25 minutes. The internal structure and hardware are designed to withstand high temperatures, and the printer is equipped with a drying box. It is optimized for printing high-performance materials without warping or layer separation.